Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good morning. Such a beautiful, beautiful morning. So this video is a voiceover of my trip, tourist at home at Berkeley. So yesterday I went to Berkeley. My family went there, so I took the opportunity to have a little tour there. So this is a historical landmark in front of your eyes, the tree-covered house. It's actually a church. It's called First Church of Christ Scientist. It was designed by Bernard Maybeck, and with all these years, it's starting to be deteriorating, and they are making a construction structure renovation. And I went there a little bit too late, so I didn't get in. And I searched online inside. Oh, so beautiful picture, very classy and very, very elegant, very stylish. So I was thinking maybe another time, when I have time, I will go there again. So how did I find this place? I went to Berkeley, and I have some time to go around the city or anywhere as I like. So the first thing I went was a library, and it was a beautiful library, North Branch of Berkeley Public Library. I have already done a video of it. If you are interested, it's at the end of this video I put it together. Okay, so I went there, and because I usually wake up late, I usually have a class matinee. I sleep up quite late, and today, I got up so much early than I usually do. So I was so sleepy. So I went to the library and took some book. As I was reading it, the character, the words become smaller, and more vague, and I fell asleep. And the sofa was comfortable. I always sit and sleep because I do not like to sleep. So very often I fell asleep on chair. And it was such a sweet dream. I did not know what I have dreamed about. But it's just suddenly something very, very magical, very, very mysterious, that feeling. So I woke up and kept on looking at the books. There was a book about Berkeley. What makes Berkeley so unique? And there's one sentence, how Berkeley are you? All about the people there, the very unique freedom of you feel it's a place that is so unique, so different, that every voice has a place, and everyone there to speak out their voice and act their way. And something sounds very ridiculous was allowed there. So it's just a very unique city. before reading that book, I was always thinking Berkeley a little bit strange, hippie or something. It's just so distanced from me. But by reading, by sitting in the library, such a beautiful, elegant, and well-used library, a lot of people in the library. Everyone is quiet, and yes, did I talk about the freedom, the sense of freedom of people? And there was one person talking loudly in through telephone, and people just looked at this person and give an eye to this person, and this person. Anyway, you get the idea. There are all kinds of characters. There are people very respectful, careful, using that place, and there are people just feel, it's my right, for granted. Anyway, I do not know if I explain it well or not. And I start to get a little bit sense of that city. And as I was driving in the street, and it's so unique. There is a very unique style and beauty. And the houses are relatively small, and I do not say cramped, but small house, not huge, gigantic, big mansions. And it's just like a university dormitory, a professor view, that kind of house, and very stylish designed, and a lot of trees all around the streets. The streets are lined with fall foliage. Some streets red, that orangish red, purplish red, and I was driving against the sun and just see the sunshine shining through the leaf, and this foggy, wavy, and red, warm glow of the streets are beautiful. And some streets are yellow. Different kind of trees, different kind of arrangement, and each street has its own style. And you feel so warm, that place. You feel so good. I really love that place. The feeling of walking there, a lot of people walking on the street, not so very many, but relatively there are people walking on the streets. Usually you go to cities, people are driving, but people, it's a residential area, it's an urban place, but has a lot of warmth, a lot of character. I love it very much. And it has a very unique feeling. It has its own charm and uniqueness. So I was walking on the street, I was driving on the streets and visited different places. I went to the library, another library. I think it's a South branch, also open on Sunday, and a very new library. And there is a tool library just in the South branch with a lot of tools for cleaning the backyard. These, what do you call it? That forks, or some farm tools, some gardening tools, and machinery tools, some wrench and those things. It's just such a warm place. And then I went to a supermarket, and I heard from my family a few months ago, a few weeks or months ago, and he mentioned that there is a beautiful supermarket. At that time, I was just looking for pretty fun, interesting supermarkets. Could be chain, could be independent. And there is a supermarket, Berkeley Bowl, very big. And there is another supermarket, Berkeley Bowl West. And there are many more other supermarkets, such as Andronico. Once we have been to Andronico, I fell in love. Another one, Molly Stone. But this time I went to Berkeley Bowl Supermarket and Berkeley Bowl West, both of them. Oh my goodness, my heart was jumping. Do you have that feeling when you go to supermarket? Some of the products are so beautiful, so tempting, tantalizing. That I feel that I was tantalized and wanting to get something and just not allowed to get it. Oh, I was shaking with joy every time when I see something so beautiful, supermarket, so beautiful place. I just cannot help myself. It's so beautiful. Oh. And with a lot of spice, all kinds of wholesales or in bulk, that you can buy a little spoonful of it, a little bag of it. So we bought some herbs and spice for making our pickles. Oh, I love that place. So I am thinking maybe sometime later I will go there again, and my family will go there again. So I can do some other videos to bring all these things together and go to details. So I went to library, I went to this church, I went to City Hall. Quite surprised, a lot of camps in front of City Hall. Another unique character of Berkeley. And I wanted to go to the Berkeley Unified School District. It was also a very beautiful building, but construction architect. But I did not have time. Oh, I went to 4th Street, another very stylish, a little bit too stylish. And there I met one a photographer, and he had a shop. A couple of years ago, I went there, and he said he was about to make a website, and I signed up my name, and so today, this time I went there, and the same guy, he was about to go because they are going to open a new shop, and beautiful natural landscape photography. And we had a chat. We had quite a long chat, 20 minutes or something, 10 minutes, 20 minutes. We talked a lot. He was local he is a Berkeley local, and just to get a chat with people, understand a little bit of the life, the people, the style, and everything. It's so very interesting, so very interesting. And I was so enjoying my trip. I didn't make a lot of video, and just discovering almost a new world, something so new, so different, and it's fun. I hope you enjoy every day of your life. Drive half an hour, drive 1 hour, drive 2 hours. It's a different world, don't you think so? It's almost like a different country, a different culture, a different world. Those little microclimate of culture, microcultural climate, micro living environment, micro spirit climate is just so fascinating, so very fascinating. Yeah, driving back home, beautiful sunshine. Oh, beautiful setting sun. It was stunning, stunning. Bye bye, friends. I love you. I really do. Do. Goo bye bye.